How's everybody doing today? Keto family, MatTroise here, and today I'm gonna show you how to make Keto Rocky Road ice cream from scratch. I'm gonna show you how to make this, but first, don't forget to hit that subscribe button followed by the bell so you'll be notified every time I release a new video. And also, please feel free to share this out with anybody you feel would benefit from watching this video. Anybody you want, you have my permission. Sharing is caring, guys, and we're all in this together. This video was suggested by one of my longtime subscribers, Mike Bushnell. Thank you, Mike, for your video recommendation. This is for you and everyone else around the world. And don't forget to check the description of this video. You'll see the recipe along with the directions on how to make this amazing keto ice cream. All right, so let me show you how to make this right now. All right, what we're gonna need is 1 tablespoon of marshmallow fluff. Check out my previous video, I show you exactly how to make this. 1 tablespoon of chopped up almonds. 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. 1 tablespoon of Hershey's sugar-free chocolate syrup. 1 cup of heavy whipping cream, 1 tablespoon of cocoa powder, a dash of salt, 2 cups of vanilla almond milk, 1 tablespoon of powdered erythritol, and 1 tablespoon of vodka. We're going to combine these into a mason jar. Now we're going to mix these ingredients first before we put in the marshmallow fluff and the chocolate syrup. All right, so we're going to take the marshmallow fluff and we're just going to sprinkle it in . We're just going to swirl it around. And just shake it so it distributes itself throughout the liquid. And do another layer. And finally, just a little bit more on top. We're going to seal it and put it into the freezer for approximately 4 hours to freeze. All right, Keto Rocky Road. I can't wait to try it. Now for a taste test. That is so good. This tastes exactly like a Rocky Road ice cream. That is delicious. This might be one of my best keto ice cream recipes yet. I can't stop eating it. Thank you, Mike, for that video recommendation. What an incredible recipe. All right, ladies and gentlemen, thank you so much for joining me. I hope you all be safe and be well. And don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe. And feel free to check out any of the 3 videos I'll link to at the end of this video. If you enjoyed this one, I am positive you're going to enjoy those. Enjoy the rest of your night. MatTroise signing out. I can't get enough of this ice cream.